If you're ambitious but lazy, you're not broken, you're just stuck. And too much noise, too little clarity. You save videos like this, you say, I'll start next month. But it's already been 8. You don't need more hustle. You need a quiet system that grows your money even when you do nothing. And you want to save money, but budgets feel exhausting. You want to invest, but everything sounds risky or complicated. You want financial freedom, but also want to nap. Sound familiar? You're not lazy, you just haven't been shown a system that matches your energy. I once met someone who jokingly called himself financially lazy. No budgets, no apps, just vibes. But he had something others didn't: calm clarity. He built 3 simple systems, one for saving, one for investing, one for auto transfers. What shocked me most wasn't that it worked. It's how little he actually did to succeed. 3 years later, no debt, £4,000 saved, and a growing investment account. Let me show you the same lazy wealth system. Step 1, set up a separate wealth account. Open a no-fee savings account and label it Future Win. Seriously? Label it Psychology Matters. Step 2, automate £1 to £5 per day. Use your bank's auto transfer. It's invisible, it doesn't hurt, but it stacks. Lazy doesn't mean nothing, lazy just needs automation. Step 3, use round-up saving. Spend £3.20? Let your app round it to £4 and save the difference. It's effortless saving, built into what you're already doing. Step 4, invest without guessing. Don't chase hype. Use simple tools to invest in companies or funds that avoid harmful or debt-based industries. Apps like Zoya can help screen them. Start with £10 a week. Set it and let it grow while you sleep. Step 5, the scroll and save rule. Every time you scroll money content, transfer £1. You're feeding your brain. Now feed your future too. Quick fact, saving just £3 a day and investing it steadily can turn into £40,000 to £60,000 by age 40. But here's the real kicker. Most people don't do it, not because they can't, but because they never automate. Will you? If you don't start this month, 30 more days go by with zero progress. You'll scroll again, you'll watch another video, and still feel stuck. But what if this was the one video you didn't ignore? One auto transfer, one £5 commitment. Today, you're not too late, you're not falling behind, you're just one small system away from moving ahead quietly and confidently. If this made money feel a little more peaceful, a little more doable, subscribe to Growth Dose and stay connected. Drop a comment if you're starting your first step today. Let's grow calmly, consistently, and quietly.